welcome to Hive Virtual Edition. My name is Lori. Today we're going to take our art project outdoors and we're going to build a wooden window box. We'll use fence boards. They can be old used fence boards and some kindling that you can buy at your local grocer or hardware store to decorate the outside. You'll need 3 fence boards, some kindling, screws, and wood glue. Cut the 3 boards to 36 inches each, and then measure the space between the boards to make sure you cut the end pieces to the appropriate size. Screw your boards together. You can see I'm using old fence boards here. When I was putting things together originally, I had the side boards in front of the bottom board. Then when I actually started screwing together, I put the side boards on top of the bottom board. Now my end pieces won't fit between the boards, so I have to put it on top. Because I'm using old wood, I don't want to take it apart. I'll cover up the problem using the kindling. So I spread all the kindling out on the pavement and I'm trying to pick out pieces that are a variety of thicknesses and colors. Here I'm putting a thin piece of wood next to a thicker piece of wood and different colors as well. So there's a thicker piece here beside a thinner piece. I think this gives more of a look of a shingle or just more variety. I'm using wood glue to attach all of these pieces to the frame. And it's really holding quite well. So you can see I'm trying to alternate darker colors and lighter colors. The bottom edge is not perfect because I'm using kindling and you can't find pieces that are all the exact same thickness, but I tried to get as close to the same thickness for the bottom edge as possible. And then for the side, I'm really trying to get a variety of thicknesses. Cutting this kindling to size is really quite easy. You can use a handsaw. If you've got some industrial type of scissors, you could use them, or a miter saw, whatever you have available. Many of the pieces are very, very thin, so it makes it quite easy to cut them to size. So for the top edge, I've decided to glue a piece of rope to continue with the rustic sort of look that I'm going for. So here's where I'm using the kindling to cover up the problem with the short sides. I would only put soil up about that height anyway, so these kindling pieces will cover up that mistake. I stained it with a clear varathane. At this point, you can buy brackets to attach it to whatever window ledge or railing you wish. I'm going to leave mine on this deck and either put herbs or annuals in it.